Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new emergency light that I got. I've already peeled off the little price tag on it and the shipping label. So I already unboxed it, and the only reason why I re-unboxed it because I wanted to show you how the seller actually packaged it. First, you can see that the box is supposed to be higher than what it's actually supposed to be. And you can see they put a bunch of tape on the top. So, and it is indeed open because it's open on the bottom. I don't think it was because of the seller. I think it was someone just messing around trying to look what's inside. But it's just not really a good job. So, and actually we ordered the wrong one. It was a weatherproof version. So it came with this right here, a few screws that secured that, and I'm gonna use it anyways, and it's actually really good for me that I got the weatherproof version. The weatherproof version, you're supposed to have a back box on the wall and then snap the unit right in. So, but I'm gonna drill some holes in the back plate, and I'm gonna keep the notches there, but I had to bend some tabs over just so I can mount it. So we're gonna go and take it out. And what I mean by the weatherproof version, you can already see what it is, probably. We'll take this out. That's how it was. Look at that. So right here we have a Dual-lite EV series, or it's the EVHC series, EVHC6IDP-WM. Voltage 120 or 277 volts. Unit color white. Lamp type supplied with two 3-watt LED eyeballs. It's a commercial LED emergency light. And battery type is a maintenance free LiFi. No idea what that means, but we'll just now. This unit is not displaying on the outside. I'll go ahead and show you what kind of Dual-lite EVHC this is. So I'm gonna unbox it on camera. Right there. Now this is actually, if you see on here, Easy ID. This is the Easy ID version of the Dual-lite EVHC, which is a very bright, really cool emergency light. I do like it, definitely. As you can see, these are the notches I'm talking about. I bent these over to where I can mount it on the wall. These, I was actually able to put this flat on the wall. And I'm gonna drill 2 holes right here, and then drill something for the knock. But I don't want to use the top knockout. I just want to drill something in the back of this. Although I did knock it out. I did do that. Look at that. It came with these right here, but it came with some mounting hardware. But I'm not going to really use it. I'm not going to use any of it. I'm going to use my own screws for this. So we're just going to put all this to the side for now. We'll put all that for trash. Well, I'm going to keep all the other stuff for the box. The instruction manual, I'm going to keep this box itself. But I'm not going to keep this one. Alright. So this is the Dual-lite EVHC6IDP-WM. That's this unit. It has its little battery compartment. The screws over there. It has its own little battery compartment. It has a little testing switch. I did not know this about the Easy ID, that the button still blinks. This will still blink, even though it still has a replace battery and replace unit. It will still blink for the like the regular Spectron self-diagnostic units. So that's really cool. This is a high capacity unit. It'll last for, I think it was 24 hours in emergency mode. But I'm not sure if that's even right about this. But it said somewhere, I was reading about it, and it did say about the easy, units that they will last 24 hours in the power outage. So we'll see if that's true about this unit. We're gonna go and open it up. Now, the way you open it up, like the regular EV, there's 2 tabs, so you're just gonna pop them off. So you just take this, which I'm actually just gonna go ahead and stick it right here. That's another trick. Trying to do it on camera. Normally you'll pop it off right there, but you can also just stick your screwdriver in right there, and then the back plate comes off. On here, I had to cut the wires that went to the little piece that went here. I had to cut the wire, and you can see a little plastic bag in here. The button, it broke, so I had to put a little piece of plastic bag so I can actually use the button still. So yeah, the reason how it broke is there's like a little piece of dust I was blocking there, or something I was blocking it. So I took the circuit board off, and then when I went to go put it back, what's it called? It peeled off. So yeah, and this just slaps on, and I'll show you how to adjust the heads real quick, and then we'll get installed. So the way you adjust the heads is it just looks pretty obvious, but you just push down wherever you need it to go. It'll go right there. So there. But right now I'm just gonna have them straight, and then once I get it up on the wall, then we'll go ahead and and actually where I'm gonna be putting this is up here, and I'm gonna put it on the same plug as my exit sign over here. So I'll run a new wire to the exit sign, and then I'll just peel it right here. I'll cut the conduit, and then run the wire down, and then just put a new piece of wire right here to go between the exit sign and the emergency light. So we're gonna go ahead and get this unit installed, and I'll check back with you later. Well, it's about an hour after I did the little unboxing. I will adjust the heads on it. This one will point towards the door. The other one will point towards the little pathway. And it does work. As you can see, it's energized with a green light. Look at that. Just gonna cancel that, and then we're gonna go ahead and adjust the heads. This one will be pointing towards the door, which might be easier to do it with the power on. Let's see. Maybe a bit more down. There we go. And then the other one point towards like that. And then we're going to go ahead and actually just cancel that. Alright. And we'll do a power outage test real quick. There's that one. The security system will not activate because I do not have it plugged in. But we're going to go ahead and remove this, and we're going to unplug it. Let me go ahead and plug it and turn off the light. Look at that. Lights off, and it lights up the whole room. I do like it. Alright, so I can easily get out. I can see clear in here. It looks like daylight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like the video. And have a great day.